Helen,
Yeah?
this just arrived.
What? What's that?
I don't know.
What is it?
Don't know.
Should I turn it over?
Yeah.
Look! Look! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! I've got 100 subscribers!
It's a cardboard award.
It's my cardboard award for 100! I love it! Oh, it's brilliant! Oh, it's fantastic! Sustainable! Yes! Oh, that's absolutely fantastic! Oh my goodness, thank you so much everybody for continuing to support my little channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe and ding the bell, share the channel, comment on the channel, and let's get this community really going for folk that really love sustainable quilting. I'm honoured, and I'm absolutely delighted to have been awarded my cardboard play button for my YouTube channel. My recycled cardboard play button, in fact. Oh, that's brilliant. And so it's gonna go on the shelf over here, look. So that it will be in all the future videos. And that can be my play button one. I love it, it's brilliant. Thank you so much everybody. Oh, honestly. Next one, as I said, is going to be, we'll do some cushions, we'll do some the thistle, which is just about to begin, and thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications, comment and share. Okay everybody, thank you, bye.